Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make card number 2 in the Safari Selection February 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So I have all of my elements out. So let's go ahead and make the card. First step is to do the stamping. So we're going to take our rich razzleberry Stampin' Spot and our smaller the banners. We're going to take the congratulations stamp, and again in this one we need the scatter dot stamp. So let's go ahead and get our stamping done. I'm going to ink up the greeting, making sure I've got good coverage, and then I'm just going to stamp it away. Oh, that's brilliant. Look at that. That is excellent. I did give this one a bit of a wipe with a wet wipe and stamped it just with no ink on the paper a couple of times just to kind of get that, get the factory off of it. So there we go. I'm going to put that down. There we go. There's our congratulations. And the scatter dot goes in the bottom corner of the card. So I'm just going to ink this one up. You do get one acrylic block with your first kit, and then you just reuse it for all your other kits. So I've got 2 blocks going, one with the greeting, one with the scatter dots, just to make things a little faster so that I don't need to clean stamps and blocks in between. So the next thing it says to do is we need to take our vellum piece, and again it's got the stitching on it, so the rough side is up and the smooth side is the wrong side, so we need to put it wrong side up so we can put our adhesive dots on. And I need a pear pizzazz frond. I need a fresh freesia frond. I'll say that 3 times fast. And then I need one of the bumblebee little mini fronds here. So I'll put those in the middle so you can see them. Okay, so we need to put adhesive dots on all of these. And they're telling me that the adhesive dots on the back of this need to kind of come over just slightly off center so that the adhesive is hidden when we add it to the card. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those on. Sometimes I think maybe I should just do all the adhesive bits first, like these pieces, just to speed up the video a little bit. So let me know in the comments if you would like me to do a little bit more pre-work before the video, or if you're okay with me just doing this in the video to show you how it's actually done. So I'm just going to continue to add the adhesive dots, and you get more adhesive dots than you need. So I save these for other projects, especially attaching ribbon bows. I use the adhesive dots for attaching the ribbon bows. So then they say that we need to layer this up. So the first thing that goes down is the piece of vellum, and this goes smack dab in the middle like this. So I'm just going to kind of hold it here while I adjust, make sure it's straight, and then I pop it down like that. Now they've layered these up, so the first thing that needs to go down, it looks like, is the fresh freesia piece. So we'll just peel the backings off of these, and again your piercing tool takes those off really nicely too. So this extends down past the vellum piece, so we'll put that down. Next up is the frond. So again, I seem to have more than one frond up on my work surface here. So then this goes kind of out to the side like this. So we'll just attach that down. And then the pear pizzazz piece comes up like this, but stays on the vellum itself. Okay, so we'll just pop that down like that. Okay, so that's that bit done. The third piece says we need to put dimensionals on our antelope and on our congratulations banner. Okay, so they are calling for one up here, one here, one here, and one at the bottom. And then on here, they're calling for one at one end and two at the other end. So we will do that. Okay, now the antelope is underneath the greeting, so we'll put the antelope down first. That makes sense. Just peel off our adhesive pieces here. And the little punch out from in here is a really cute heart. So I've actually kept those pieces in case I want to use them on an alternate. So this comes just off of center, just like that. Okay. And then we take our congratulations banner and we put it at an angle across, goes across here. We don't want to cover up that one frond, so I've done my frond up a little bit high. So we're going to put this at quite an angle across here, like that. So there, oh, and I can't forget the last step is putting our little clear stones down. So we've got one here. Again, you can't really see these, but they do add that little bit of interest. So the other ones go down at the bottom here, like this. So that now is our second card in the Safari Celebration February 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for the third project and some alternate ideas.